Here at SUNY Oswego in room 115 on the north side of Park Hall, next to the elevator and the exit, you're going to find our TEL 353 Transportation Systems classroom. Now, in transportations, we are trying to teach you everything about planes, trains, and automobiles, and everything in between. But what does the class look like? Well, let's take a look. In the lab, you are going to find Professor Bush, who is also the head of the Tech Ed department.
Hi, my name is Richard Bush. I'm a professor in the Department of Technology. I teach transportation systems, and this is my 6th year teaching the class.
Professor Bush has a liking for small engines and boat motors, but he returns to this classroom every year to teach transportations because of the lab itself.
So really the most iconic piece of this lab is the airplane hanging from the ceiling, which of course is totally awesome to have this kind of space. The next step is the lab is kind of broken up into sections. We've got an area of the energy trainers for energy class that's also taught in the lab. We've got our electric cars. We have, again, a lift, small engines area. We've got a metal fab and a wood fab area, again, for different, again, with also, again, sharing the lab with energy. Again, we can get a little more creative in that class. And then down the center of the lab is all the workbench space. And again, all of this can be configured and constantly is on the move. A lot of things are on wheels, and whatever doesn't roll, we can pick up with a forklift. So the lab's kind of always in motion. And then lastly, which I like, is the fact that the classroom is in the laboratory and again, off in the corner. So we can just jump up whenever we need to go out and see something and then come back to our seats.
In transportations, you're going to face many projects and design problems, and the most popular 3 are small engines, where you're going to take a perfectly good working engine all the way down to the bare bones and then rebuild it and have it run again. The next project you may do is the rockets. You start with a water bottle rocket, which we're going to pressurize and shoot into the air, as well as a solid fuel rocket, which we go to the hidden fields on campus and we shoot those off. Really a fun time. The last and everyone's favorite is the Co2 Dragster, which you will design and build your own dragster out of first foam as a prototype and then out of wood.
CO2 cars are fun, but if you're more interested in full-size cars, please join Auto Club.